My dog came down to say hello. Okay, so the servo goes through like this on the outward facing one, and these, I have the rubber piece on there. Yeah, they have a rubber piece on their shoe. I think I like the Futaba ones better though. So these go through like this on the outside. Then on the back, these go on there, and there is a indentation, and that faces inwards. So let's see if I can get the first one started. And I'm not sure, maybe because the stuff is plastic, that might help prevent some of the it might prevent some of the vibrations, reduce the vibrations a little bit. I'm not for sure. Trick is getting the screw to line up with the hole. I think that's lined up. So my original Airstar Mongoose I bought back in 2013 when I got out of the Army from a guy up in New Jersey. He was in the Coast Guard. He's a Coast Guard helicopter mechanic. I believe he works on the HH-65 Dauphine. That's weird. Why didn't that one go all the way through? Guess this screw is longer than that one. This is an excessively long screw. And it's sticking out way further than the other one. It's in there tight. I'm gonna have to check that though and make sure that this screw isn't. And I don't know, that might be too tight because that rubber is like really popping up. I don't think you want the rubber compressing like that. Okay, that looks better. And, let's see here. Okay, so let's get the other side on there. Yeah, there's a big difference in the length of these screws. I don't really like that. These screws seem like a more reasonable length. So I like uniformity when I build stuff, so I'm going to take out one of these screws on here. There's just no reason for a screw to be that excessively long. So taking that one out, I'm going to cannibalize one of these normal length screws. Because you really have to be mindful of this kind of stuff, because if you have an excessively long screw that's sticking out way further than it should, then it could push into something else. You know, it could push up against one of your wires, cables, or something that's moving. That's the key thing on a build of a helicopter. Now this one's a little trickier because you have to get it back behind that wire. And you know what? Let me check something.